Hello friends, welcome to my channel Avni Art and Craft. So today we are going to make these bookmarks. These are very useful because by this you can put it on your book and you will not forget the page. Okay. So materials required are, you have to take this colorful paper. I am using here peach colored paper, and next is scissors and then Fevicol. Okay. So let us start. Okay. So now I have taken this paper. We have to fold it like that by pressing it. Okay. Now by taking the midpoint, we have to fold it like this and press it gently. Now we have to do the same with second one. Press it. Okay. So now we have to open it, and you can see these lines have made. Now we have to fold it like that and press it. Now we have to fold the paper inside it like this. Same you have to do for the second one. So friends, you can see I have folded both of them. Now by simply using pencil, we have to draw its eyes and nose and mouth. Okay, like this you can see I have drawn eyes, like this you can see on the video. Now nose, and then now simply mouth. A little circle here for the cheeks. Now with the help of marker you can dark it. I am using black marker like this, you can see. Do the second one same like the first one. Now nose, now mouth. Now I have taken this red sketch for making these circles of the cheeks. Like this you can see. So we have made its mouth. Now for making its ears, I have taken this paper. Now we have to fold it like that by the center so that a line can appear. You can see like this. And now we have to make its ears shape with the use of pencil. Like this. Now we have to cut it. You can see like that. We have cut its ear. Now with the use of marker, we have to draw some curve like structure here. Same for the second side. You can see now. Okay, so we have made its ears. Now it is the time to paste them. I am little bit folding it so that we can know how much we have to paste. Same for the both of two. Like this you can see. We have to fold it. Okay, so now with the use of Fevicol, we will paste it. You can see. Okay, now we have to paste it like this. Okay, so you can see our bookmarks are ready. You can use it for don't forgetting any page for your book. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.